Good morning, students. Yesterday we talked about the linear inequalities and solve some problems also. Today we are solving some more problems regarding this exercise. So we are taking here the first problem is 15 today. What is that? X by 4. Question number 15. X by 4 is less than 5x minus 2 by 3 minus 7x minus 3 by 5, and we have to solve this problem. So how we can solve this problem? Let's see. First we are taking the LCM of these two terms, 3 and 5, which is 15. 5 multiplied by these two, 25x minus 10, and 3 multiplied by these two to minus 21x plus 9. So remaining part is 25 minus 21 is 4, and 10 minus 9 is minus 1 by 15. Now to remove both 4 and 15, we are multiplying by 60. 60 into x by 4, and 4x minus 1 upon 15 into 60. So this 4 cancels this 60 15 times, and this is 4 times. So here is 15x. This 4 multiplied by these two terms, 16x minus 4. So now this is the greater term from this. So we are subtracting 15x from both sides. So 15x minus 15x. Here is 16x minus 15x. So this is 0 is less than x minus 4. Now we have to remove this minus 4 from that side. For that, adding 4 in both sides. So we are getting here 4 is less than x, or we can say that x is greater than 4. What we have to find out here? The solution of this. And solution according to real numbers, since x belongs to R, which means real number. Therefore, x belongs to starting from 4 going up to infinite. This is the solution, reason for this one. तो ये इस इनइक्वालिटी का सॉल्यूशन है जो अपने को ये बताएगा कि ये कहाँ से कहाँ तक जाएगा. तो ये हुआ अपना ये वाला प्रॉब्लम 15. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व सम वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आल्सो. इन द 21 प्रॉब्लम, Ravi scored 70 and 75 in 2 exams, whereas he want to aggregate score minimum 60%. So what is the score in third exam to reach his target? And for that, suppose in third exam, Ravi scored X marks. What is the score of Ravi in third exam? X. And in first two, his score was 70 and 75. These are the score. Now, according to question, he want to score aggregate minimum 60%. For that, what we have to do? Find out the average score of these three exams by using this method, sum of the numbers divided by number of exams, and it should be minimum 60%, which means minimum 60 हो तो बाकी से ज़्यादा हो सकता है. So greater than or equals to 60 we are using here. In this situation, x plus 145 by 3 is this one, and to remove this 3 multiplied by 3, so 3 into x plus 145 by 3, and here is 16 multiplied by 3, so 3 cancel with this 3. Now shifting this 145 in other side, for that we are subtracting this one. So x plus 145 minus 145 is greater than or equals to 180 minus 145. So here is x which is greater than 35. So Ravi should score 35 marks at least to get aggregate 60% minimum. तो कम से कम 60% उसके बने, बाकी ज़्यादा बन सकती है, तो उसके लिए उसको थर्ड एग्जाम में 35 मार्क्स का स्कोर करना ही पड़ेगा. तो ये उसका तरीका था. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज in a triangle. We are talking about 25 question number. For this, in a triangle, the longest side is 3 times the shortest. Let shortest side be x centimeter. इतने की अपन ने मान ली, and the longest side is 3 times of this one. Longest side 3 times, and the longer side B 2 less than the shortest side, which means x minus 2 we can consider that. This is the mean. इसने लिखा है, सॉरी, सबसे बड़ी से. So this is the mean of that thing. If we are taking the shortest side x, the longest is 3 times of this one, which means 3x, and the longer is 2 less than the longest side. So now what is the addition of these two? According to question, that perimeter should be at least 61, which means perimeter, you know that, is given by sum of all the sides, and it is at least 61, which means greater than or equal to 61 we can apply here. So now addition of all these sides, x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 is 61. Now 3x plus 3x, 6 plus x, 7x minus 2 is 61. Shifting this minus 2 in other side, and for that addition 7x minus 2 plus 2 and 61 plus 2. So here is 7x, which is greater than 63. So x is 9. 7x upon 7, 63 upon 7, that is x is greater than or equals to 9 centimeter. So the shortest side is 9 here. The longest side is 3 times of this one, and the middle side is 2 less than this one. So we have, this is the way to solve this problem. So what is the length of all the sides? Shortest should be greater than or equals to 9. Longer should be greater than or equals to 3 into 9 minus 2, that is 25. And longest should be thrice of this one, 3 into 9, that is 27 centimeter. So these are the length of sides of this triangle we are having. I think now you can see that what I write there. Now we want to solve these problems by using graphical method, which means the pattern of exercise 6.2 we are applying here. In that, graphically we are showing how to represent this one, and for that we are going to check here exercise 6.2, question number first, and that is x plus y is less than 5. It is given. This is our given inequality, and we want to solve this by graphical method. How we can solve this? So look at the board here. First we have to convert this one into equation form. This is our inequality. And now we want to convert this in equation form. And that is x plus y is equals to 5. And now I am going to convert this in intercept form. Divide by 5 in whole equation. So x by 5 plus y by 5 is equals to 1. This forms help us to construct a graph very easily. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. And same here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join these 2 points to draw a graph. This is our line. This point is 0, 5 and this one is 5, 0. Because the x-intercept length is 5. So on x-axis, this is our first point 5, 0. And y-intercept length is 0, 5 here. 5 is the length. So the point is 0, 5. अब दोनों को ज्वाइन करवा दीजिए। ये अपनी ग्राफ पर इस स्ट्रेट लाइन को ड्रॉ करने का तरीका जानते हैं। अब we want to find out in which side the solution region is exist, either in the direction of origin point or upwards. And for that we are going to check here origin point testing. So origin point testing. In that x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, putting in inequality 1. इसमें पुट करना है अपने को x और y की वैल्यू 0. सो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ x 0 at this place and y 0 at this place which is less than 5. The sum of these two is also 0 which is also less than 5, and we are saying that 0 is less than 5 is true. So which is true? So if the statement is true, then the solution region exists always in the direction of origin point. So from this line, this is the direction of origin point. This is our origin point 0, 0. So the solution region is in the direction of origin point. So set it this region like this. This is our solution region. So solution region is existing in the direction of origin point. अभी यदि ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग होता, if 0 is greater than 5, it is given here. In that case, the statement is wrong. Then the solution region given upwards direction through this line. इसके ऊपर का होना चाहिए, नीचे का origin point की डायरेक्शन में नहीं हो सकता. तो ये इसका तरीका है inequality को solve करने का. First, what we have to do, the given equality convert into equation form, then into intercept form. After that, draw the graph. This is the graph of this inequality. And now, origin point testing, in which what we have to do, substitute the value of x and y 0 at this place. And if the given statement true, then the solution region in the direction of origin point. If this is wrong, then upward direction is the solution region, not in the direction of the origin point. So this is the way to solve this kind of inequality. Now if you want to represent the ninth problem, that is y is less than minus 2, it is given us, and we want to represent this on the graph. For that, this is our inequality. Now equation form is y is equals to minus 2, and the graph for this one is, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and we are showing the graph like this. This line represents y equals to minus 2, and this is our x axis. This one is our y axis. So now we have to find out in which side the solution region is exists. So let's put in origin point testing. In which putting x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 in inequality 1. So there exists only y. So y means 0 is less than minus 2, which is false. You know that 0 is greater than minus 2. It is not true that 0 is less than minus 2. So that's why the solution region downwards this line, not upwards. This is the solution region. So solution region is not in the direction of origin point. उसके अपोजिट होगा. दिस इज द वे टू रिप्रेजेंट सिंगल वेरिएबल इनइक्वालिटी. तो इस तरह से अपन ये पता लगाते हैं कैसे इनइक्वालिटी को ग्राफ पर रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. Thank you.